Why long-tail keywords are incredibly powerful, and how to use them. Long-tail keywords are a crucial element in search engine optimization, SEO, and are key to product description optimization, significantly improving search results and helping people find your products. What are long-tail keywords? Long-tail keywords are typically keyword phrases that combine multiple words, making them longer and more specific than short keywords. For instance, while wedding planner is a broad keyword, printable budget wedding planner, or printable destination wedding planner are examples of long-tail keywords. These specific terms increase the likelihood that a buyer looking for that exact planner will find your product instead of a competitor's. Long-tail keywords target a smaller, more focused audience. Since today's shoppers often use long keywords or questions to find what they need, optimizing your product titles and descriptions with these can attract traffic from highly motivated buyers who need exactly what you are selling. 5 benefits of using long-tail keywords. Incorporating long-tail keywords into your product descriptions and content offers several benefits that can make your online shops more successful and profitable. 1. Enhanced relevance and targeting. SEO is most effective when keywords are highly relevant to your target audience. Long-tail keywords enable you to target specific customers looking for products within your niche, helping you attract qualified customers who are ready to buy because they know what they are looking for and you are selling it. 2. Fewer competitors. With many potential competitors for any product, long-tail keywords help your content stand out and be easily found. By targeting specific long-tail keywords, you compete with fewer product listings and shops compared to using broad keywords, increasing the chances that people needing your products will find them. 3. Higher Google rankings. A direct benefit of having fewer competitors is an increased likelihood of achieving a high rank on Google with long-tail keywords. Choosing relevant long-tail keywords can help you move up the ranks in Google and other search engines, ideally placing you at or near the top of the first page of results. 4. Higher conversion rates. Your conversion rate measures how many shop visitors make a purchase. People who use long-tail keywords are typically further along in their buying journey, meaning they are ready to purchase as soon as they find a product that meets their needs. Targeting long-tail keywords means the traffic you receive is more likely to turn into paid orders, which is beneficial for growing your store and increasing profits. 5. Affordable advertising. Long-tail keywords can help decrease advertising costs, especially if you promote content on social media or advertise your online shop. As they are generally less competitive than short keywords, bidding on them on Google is likely to be less expensive. They also tend to yield a high click-through rate and a strong return on investment when your ad appears for buyers who are ready to purchase. Tips for choosing long-tail keywords. To identify which long-tail keywords will deliver the best results for your product descriptions and content, consider these pointers. Review your traffic sources to see which search terms people are already using to find your shop or website, and then target those words in your descriptions. Examine the keywords your competitors are targeting for inspiration, particularly on platforms like Etsy or other online sales platforms. Add descriptors to a basic keyword. For example, for a printable party invitation, add words describing the design, party type, or event to attract more targeted traffic. Type a keyword into Google and scroll to the bottom of the search results page to find related search terms, which are an excellent source for long-tail keywords. Using these tips will help you identify the best long-tail keywords. Incorporating them in multiple places, such as your product name, description, and image tags, will make it easier for motivated buyers to find and purchase your products. Ultimately, using long-tail keywords in your product listings can improve your search engine rankings, reduce advertising expenses, and attract potential customers eager to buy what you are selling, thereby increasing your profits. Do you need assistance creating products that your customers will love? Grab my free guide to creating best-selling printables.